Now, former U.S. President Donald Trump's legal battles continue. On Wednesday, he was called in to the New York Attorney General's office. He was questioned on his family's business practices. He refused to answer. Now, New York state officials accuse the Trump organization of misleading authorities about the value of its assets in order to get favorable loans and tax breaks. Trump denied any wrongdoing, called the civil probe a witch hunt. An hour after he was seen arriving at Manhattan office, Trump even released a statement criticizing New York Attorney General Letitia James. He wrote that he declined to answer questions under the rights and privileges afforded to every citizen under the U.S. Constitution. Trump was referring to the Fifth Amendment. It's a right which protects people from being a witness against themselves in a criminal case. While the Attorney General's investigation is a civil one, a parallel investigation is also being carried out by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, which could result in criminal charges. That investigation could be a reason for Trump's legal team advising him to remain silent, as his disposition could energize the case. Now, the deposition follows an FBI search earlier this week at Trump's Mar-a-Lago residence in Florida. On Wednesday, the former president once again slammed the FBI raid, saying that it lacked moral and ethical bounds of decency. 4 days since the raid, the FBI and Justice Department are yet to provide a reason for this search. It is believed that the agents they were conducting a court-authorized search related to potential mishandling of classified documents that had been sent to Mar-a-Lago after Trump left the White House in January 2021. These developments come amid speculation that Trump is planning to run for the White House in 2024. But the legal battles against him might just complicate any such bid. Now, for more insight into this case, listen into former federal prosecutor Naima Rahmani.
It's an important case, and the reason is that allegations are that Trump and his businesses submitted false documents in support of bank loans. That's a felony, but it could also be a civil fraud claim, and we're dealing with the latter here. Now, the really important issue is Trump's accounting firm has said that they have an actual conflict of interest. That leads me to believe that there's folks there who may be cooperating with the New York Attorney General, and as a result, there may be witnesses that are hostile to Trump and his businesses. Donald Trump can be looking at a civil judgment of 10 or even hundreds of millions of dollars if he is found liable for lying to these banks. So this monetary fallout could be significant. And to the extent that prosecutors who are watching this case very closely believe that there's evidence of a crime, and bank fraud is a crime, he may be looking at criminal prosecution as well down the road.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.